In learning about logarithms, I thought it'd be helpful to actually go over a problem. This problem, we're going to add 4 to log base 3, 7x equals 10. And we're going to solve for what x equals. And so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to isolate the actual logarithm so it's by itself. So that's a very easy step. So for the very first thing, we're just going to do log base 3, 7x equals 6 because we just took the 4 and subtracted it here. And so that gives us 6. So that was the first step. Now in the next step, if you watch the video on logarithms, even though this may not seem like the most natural thing, if you actually paid attention, you'd see that the 3 and the 6 are actually connected. And so you'll be able to see right here that this follows the exact same example we gave before. If you didn't watch the video, we gave examples like this. So we said something like log base 2 of 8 equals 3. And this is completely equivalent to 2 cubed equals 8. So when we apply that same principle over here, what we can get is 3 to the power of 6 equals 7x. And so all we had to do was convert the equation to an exponential equation, the same way we did right here. So we just converted that, and we're able to get the logarithm out and make it much easier to see equation. And if you didn't, if you're new to logarithms and you want it broken down further, all we did was take the 3, we made that the base. We took the 6, made that the exponent, and then we knew that that was equal to 7x. Just like in our very simple example over here, where we had log base 2, 8 equals 3, and all we did was we took the base, made it the root over here, then we took the 3, made it the exponent, and then we set that equal to 8. It's the exact same thing on this side. So now that we have that answer, now we can isolate the x, and then we can solve it. So to do that, that's very simple. All we have to do is divide the 7 by the other side of the equation. So we have 3 to the power of 6 over 7. And that's the answer. If you want to actually work it out, you can see that it approximately is going to equal 104, 14, and then a lot of numbers after that. But if you round it to this integer value right here, then that's all you need. And so that is the answer. So let me know if you have any questions, but I would try to practice a few logarithms because it may seem unnatural at first, but the more you do it, the more you'll get used to it, and you'll realize it's actually pretty easy. It's just a different way of writing exponents, and the easiest way to solve a logarithm, especially kind of a more basic one like this, just convert it into an exponent, and then it's very easy to simplify from there.